Welcome back to a new episode. Today I'm going to show you how to get Treefelling Blow. You are going to need strong left. First you're going to go to trees to talk to Corin. You're going to choose the third option. And you're just going to continue speaking with him. After that you are going to have to punch with strong left 5 trees. Very simple, even a monkey can do it. After you punch 5 trees, you go back and talk to him and he's going to give out the talent. The talent gives out a good passive, like never losing your wood after you die. You're always going to keep it. I'm going to show you how to punch out 5 trees. You just use the move on it. You go back, you talk to him, and he's going to give out the card. To get strong left, you're going to need 20 strength. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you next time with a new tutorial.